Are you ready to take your videos to the next level with animated subtitles? Here's a straightforward tutorial on how to add dynamic text to your content. And you can do it all in your web browser thanks to Flixeer. Let's dive in. You first need to go to flixeer.com and click on Get Started. You can upload your video from your computer, use a QR code to bring it over from your phone, import it from a cloud storage service, or bring it over from TikTok by pasting a link. Once your video is uploaded, it will show up in your library. Drag it down to the timeline, then right-click on it and select Generate Subtitles. You can also access this option from the Subtitles menu on the left. Just click on Auto Subtitle. This will give you access to a few more options. For example, you'll be able to choose the language of your video manually or just let Flixeer auto-detect it. Then click on Start Auto Subtitle and in just a few minutes your subtitles will be ready. After you check the accuracy of your auto-generated subtitles, you can start customizing their appearance. Open the right-hand menu and go to the Style tab. Here you'll find multiple presets that can serve as a foundation for your design. You have the freedom to adjust the font, color, size, shadows, and even add text effects like stroke or a background color to make your subtitles stand out. Now that we've got the basics out of the way, let's talk animations. The Subtitle tab offers a variety of effects like karaoke, typewriter, or word bounce that will make your subtitle more dynamic and engaging. You're free to experiment with these as you please. All you have to do in order to apply them is to select them from the menu. Most of these animations are also customizable. When you pick an animation for your subtitle, you might see some extra options pop up. For example, for the word highlight effect, you can pick the highlight color, while word bounce allows you to customize the height of the bounce. Lastly, don't forget that you can also translate your subtitles to over 100 languages automatically with Flixeer. All you have to do is go to the Translate tab and you'll be able to translate the same subtitle to multiple languages in seconds, all while keeping the same style and formatting. Once you're happy with the way your subtitles look and feel, click the Export button in the top right corner to save the video to your device or publish it straight to TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're looking for more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. Until next time, happy editing!